Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a new tutorial here with Poarch. The song is called Sweet Delusion. It's all about wedding time, or maybe it's a delusion, we'll see about that. But anyway, we have two chords, are the main chords in the song, and then we need to throw in two more chords for the bridge part. So let's go into this tutorial, and we're gonna do that without any capo. No need for that, since we're gonna work with bar chords only. All right, so let's go into the two main chords. That will be first the E minor 7 sus2. It's a long name, but its sound goes like this. A bar on the second fret, so you need to bar 5 strings there. So put the index finger and cover 5 strings if you count from bottom up, and then you need to incorporate the open E string as well, okay? So all strings are used here, and then also you need to add 4th on G and 4th on B. That will be the E minor 7 sus2. If you think that is hard to take, then you can go with the standard E minor. That will be to place the fingers like this, 2nd fret on A string and 2nd fret on D string. All the other strings are open. It could be easier, but the E minor 7 sus2 is the actual chord used for this one, so the sound is more accurate, and it's also better prepared for the next chord. You have the same bar there for the next chord, which is the B major 7. So let's go into that one. So the same bar there, 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 4th on D, 3rd on G, and 4th on B. That's the B major 7. So pretty easy transition there from the E minor 7 sus2 to B major 7, all right? Just like this, the bar is the same. So these two chords are the two main chords, but then you need to throw in the C sharp minor. That's another bar chord, this time index finger on the 4th fret, 5 strings, the same 5 strings there, and then you need to add 6 on D string, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And then the final chord is a F sharp chord. So you're gonna play the bar again on the 2nd fret. This time you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Okay, so there you have the 4 chords. Now let's go into the strumming. So we're gonna do that with the E minor 7. So grab that one. The string around will be like this. Okay. That was a little bit fast, so down, clap, and then down, up, down, clap. And that's it. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap. That is one round. Okay, this goes pretty fast, this strumming here, so work your way up, start slowly, and gradually be more confident with the strumming and go up in tempo. So the main part of this song is about these two chords. You're gonna play 2 rounds of E minor and 2 rounds of the B major 7, just back and forth like this. So right? Back and forth, 2 rounds per chord, and that is pretty much 95% of the song. But then we have the bridge part. It happens about 2 minutes and 8-9 seconds into the song. The bridge starts there at 2:03. You're gonna start with the E minor like you did until this point. So you have E minor 2 and then B major 2, and then it continues with the C sharp minor, 1 string around, and then F sharp 2 string rounds. And after that, you just continue with the main part till the very end. And yeah, that is pretty much it, how you handle Sweet Delusions from Poarch, or her Sweet Delusion. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if it was helpful, please support me here on Gordon Guitar. Give me something back. So thank you so much, guys. And till next time, play tuned.